So
Oh, no, she's taking a video.
this afternoon we are spending time with
Hey!
Bona.
Crazy woman.
Okay, that was a short
Yun, oh,
advertisement
vlog na.
from. No, I'm just making fun with the video. We have
That
no
was a
vlog.
motivational speech.
Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and
Ladies and
girls,
gentlemen, my name is
did you know that in Pangkep City in Balochi we have a stone rock? It's like a karst and it's very beautiful. And I think it's free to come here because there's no sign of buying tickets. But it's just that you need to walk.
You need to walk
Yes.
like an hour. It's so exhausting. Wow.
So next time you come here, make sure you bring a bottle of water and lots of cake. Yes.
Sudah mito, dapat na memory pinu.
Beautiful.